Conventional treatment in the sense the regular treatment or allopathic treatment or the treatment you take from the doctor who is nearby to your home or when you go to the corporate hospital. All these treatments we call allopathy treatment or conventional treatment. In conventional treatment, they cannot prevent this disease from occurring again and again, and there is no medicine or any technique with them so that they can completely cure this disease. They cannot reverse the pathology. They cannot make the thyroid gland again active and produce normal levels of T3 and T4. They cannot do it. And the only treatment they have is palliative treatment. Palliative treatment in the sense as T3 and T4 are deficient in your circulation, they will add synthetic or artificial T3 and T4 to your body. This has a lot of side effects. So, and also you will be dependent on those medicines for a lifetime. You have to use those medicines continuously throughout our life. And also, as there is no need for remaining good thyroid gland, remaining part of the good thyroid gland to produce hormones again, because you are taking the hormones artificially. The rest of the thyroid gland also will be deranged, or it will be diminished. It will sink and it will become useless. We call it as disuse atrophy. So any way you take, there are a lot of disadvantages, and also after taking this medicine for a very long time, there is no relief for you. Coming to the homeopathic treatment, with homeopathic treatment and also few changes in your lifestyle, few changes in your sleep habits, food habits, and also sleeping patterns and exercise, you have excellent chance to cure the thyroid completely without any side effects. And also there is high chance that the thyroid gland again recovers and produce its own thyroid hormones, and also antibodies against the thyroid glands are not produced, and it is permanent cure. It is possible with homeopathy. How it is possible with homeopathy? In homeopathy we use a treatment by a name constitutional treatment. Your constitution is manifested in three forms. It will be manifested in physical characters or physical symptoms. So thyroid gland is enlarged. This is a physical symptom. So you become emaciated, or you become obese. These are all the physical symptoms. And physiological symptoms here, the thyroid function is decreased, antibodies to against the thyroid gland is produced. These are all functional changes. And also psychological changes. You may lead into depression. You may lead into any other suicidal tendencies. So any changes that occur at the mental level are psychological changes. So any disease you get, it is because of two reasons. One, you get some part of it from your genetics, that is your forefathers. Some part of it from your habits, that is external factors like how you are eating, how you are sleeping, how you are exercising, and how you are leading a stress-free life. So combination of your genetics and combination of what you have acquired from the outside is your constitution. Based on this, we prescribe a constitutional medicine, so it elicits a hormetic response in your body. Because of the hormetic response, your disease is completely cured, and it will not occur again and again. We call it as cure. In very rare cases, so where you have disease for a very long time, there is a lot of physical damage is done in your body. At that time, we can give palliative treatment. We cannot cure completely, but it's very rare. Normally we completely cure it, and that too, even that palliation is without any side effects. So why homeopathic medicines do not have any side effects? So homeopathic medicines are basically nanoparticles. This nanoparticles, it contains an active ingredient in the center. It is surrounded by lactose molecules. On top of it, it is coated with silicon coat. This is a nanoparticle. This is very advanced technology of making medicines. These nanoparticles, when introduced into your body, so they will not have any off targeting. So where there is disease, they will go and act only in that place. When the medicine acts at other places than it has to act, then only will have side effects. So that we call it as off targeting. In homeopathy, we do not have off targeting. That's the reason you have no side effects in homeopathy. And also, the medicines you take in homeopathy is very low doses. In allopathy or Ayurveda, you take medicines in grams and milligrams, but in homeopathy, it is only few picograms, few hundred to 1000 picograms. It is very less compared to the dosage of any other system of medicine. So that's the reason you don't have side effects in homeopathy. And what about the efficiency? How effective are the homeopathic medicines? Homeopathic medicines are very effective than compared to any other system of medicine, because homeopathy medicines works on the principle of hormesis. Principle of hormesis says any substance you take in the world, you take water even in higher quantities, water can act like a poison. If a person takes plenty of water, he may die. And also, even the snake venom, when you take in smaller quantities, it acts as excellent medicine. That we call as hormetic principle, hormesis. So when there is small derangement or small stress to your body, the body works against it to cure the disease. In the same way, these nanoparticles elicits a hormetic response, so it has an excellent medicine to cure your thyroid problems. On its own, gland will start producing its thyroid hormones again, and also antibodies against the thyrocytes are reduced completely, so that your thyroid glands recovers quickly. So this is how the homeopathic medicines are very effective. And homeopathic medicine treatment is very affordable because there is no patenting rights in homeopathic medicine. For example, if you take allopathic treatment, if any allopathic pharma company makes a particular medicine, so they will be given exclusive rights to sell that medicine for 7 to 9 years with their desired price. There is other pharmaceutical companies cannot make those medicines. That is patent rights. In homeopathy, you don't have patent rights, so every pharma company can make the same drug and can sell to their desired price. As there is competition among themselves, the overall price of the homeopathic medicine is reduced, and it is very affordable to general public than compared to allopathic system of medicine.